Even continuous improvers need to improve. Here are 3 things continuous improvers should stop doing to increase their effectiveness in the organization. First is overusing jargon. Within Lean and Six Sigma, there is a whole new language to learn. We constantly use terms like 5S or 6S, RIEs, A3s, 8 forms of waste, SIPOC, and it can be very overwhelming to employees to hear all of these terms and acronyms. So instead of starting with all of the Lean Six Sigma terminology, let's start by using the language our employees understand. Let's relate continuous improvement to their daily work and show them how it applies to improving their own work experience. Then as we start to develop those employees, we can grow their language in continuous improvement, and we can teach them new terminology and new techniques to use. The second thing continuous improvers need to stop doing is spending most of their time managing projects. We know that continuous improvers tend to have really strong project management tool sets. And as a result, our organizations ask us to lead a lot of projects. But if we're spending most of our time doing that, we're missing an opportunity to become even more powerful. We should be spending most of our time growing and developing the continuous improvement skill and mindset in others. We should spend the majority of our time training, mentoring, and coaching. So instead of us leading 10 projects ourselves, we should each be coaching 10 or more others in the organization who can then go and each lead 10 projects themselves. It also creates more buy-in in the organization when the employees are leading the projects that improve their own work. So instead, continuous improvers should spend most of our time in more of a consultative and coaching role. The third thing continuous improvers need to stop doing is measuring success solely based on dollars saved. Time and time again, continuous improvers measure their success of their program purely based on dollars saved. And not only is this going to come back in the end and become a problem as you start to address low-hanging fruit and as the improvements get harder and harder to find, but it's also the wrong motivation. Continuous improvement is about efficiency and effectiveness. So what we should be measuring is impact to KPIs, or key performance indicators. Continuous improvement should be measured as an improvement to things like customer engagement or customer satisfaction, the quality of our project or our process, reducing our cycle times or increasing our speed of implementation, or increasing employee engagement. When we can work on these KPIs, the dollars will come. And then that helps us focus on the right things that contribute to our company's overall success and help us become more customer focused in our efforts. So continuous improvers, if you will stop doing these 3 things, you are increasing your power and your impact in the organization.